Hey there, savvy shoppers! Ready to save big without the hassle? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing the 3LIT3 promo code that's going to change the way you shop online. And yes, you heard that right. So what's this all about? Imagine getting a juicy discount on your favorite items just by entering a simple code. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm about to spill the beans on how you can make this magic happen. First things first, click on the link in the description below to grab your 3LIT3 discount. That's where all the savings start. Now let's dive into the deets. You know those times when you're about to check out and you see that enter promo code box? Yeah, that lonely little box crying for attention. Well, now you can be the hero it deserves. Just type in 3LIT3 and watch the magic unfold. Ka-ching! Instant savings. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any discount. We're talking about serious savings on everything from electronics to fashion, home goods, and so much more. Whether you're sprucing up your wardrobe or finally getting that gadget you've been eyeing, 3LIT3's got your back. Now let's talk timing. This is a limited time offer, folks. That means if you snooze, you lose. Don't be that person. Grab your phone, tablet, or whatever you've got and enter that code before it's too late. And here's a little pro tip for you. Share the love. Tell your friends, family, neighbors, even your dog walker about the 3LIT3 promo code. They'll thank you. And who knows? You might just become the hero of the day. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and start saving with 3LIT3 today. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. All right, happy shopping, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome deals coming your way. See you in the next video.